Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make bacon mayo. First, gather your ingredients, including about 6 slices of thick-cut bacon, 1 large egg yolk, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, and 1 tablespoon of white wine vinegar. You will also need 0.5 cup of a neutral oil, like grapeseed or canola, plus salt and pepper to taste. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Next, cook your bacon until it's perfectly crispy. I recommend baking it at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 to 20 minutes for even cooking. Once done, remove the bacon and let it cool on paper towels, then chop it into very small pieces. Crucially, save about 2 tablespoons of that delicious rendered bacon fat. Let it cool down a bit, but keep it liquid. Now let's make the mayo base. In a food processor or with an immersion blender, combine the 1 egg yolk, 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard, and 1 tablespoon white wine vinegar. With the motor running, slowly drizzle in the 0.5 cup of neutral oil, drop by drop at first, until the mixture thickens into a creamy mayonnaise. Then, gradually incorporate the 2 tablespoons of cooled bacon fat, ensuring it fully emulsifies. Finally, fold in your finely chopped crispy bacon pieces. Mix it thoroughly so every spoonful gets that amazing bacon texture and flavor. Taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and freshly ground black pepper until it's perfect for you. Transfer your homemade bacon mayo to an airtight container and refrigerate it. It will stay fresh and delicious for up to 5 days. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.